all of you. I am really freezing today. Morning, evening to all of you. It still feels like a morning only because of the weather that is there. I think it is about 6 degrees. That's what my phone just showed me, that it is just 6 degrees right now and it's quite cold. And I actually did not want to come for the meeting because of the cold, but you cannot live without Toastmasters. That's the whole thing with me, so I had to be here. Welcome all of you, and I'm glad that we have some guests also today. So for the benefit of the guests, I would just like to give you a little bit about what Toastmasters is all about. Toastmasters is an international organization which was established in the USA, and it has spread so widely that we have a lot of clubs all over the world, and this is one forum which just helps you improve your public speaking skills and your leadership skills throughout. The best part about this program is it is not a classroom setup, it is not somewhere that a teacher is teaching to you and you're learning, but it is a learning by doing experience. You take up roles, you give your speeches, and that's how you actually learn and improve gradually. We get manuals from the international where it is clearly stated as to what all we have to do and how we give our speeches, and through those manuals we improve gradually. So let me welcome all of you, and yes, let me welcome the Toastmaster of the evening. I really wanted to tell him that why have you kept winter as a theme for the day, because I hate winters. But nevertheless, he is one persistent Toastmaster, I would say. He is one person who did 4 speeches. He was not happy with the speeches. He repeated all of them, and we can see the improvement that has happened in him. So let me welcome with a big round of applause Toastmaster.